How to play Brawl Stars on your PC. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to play Brawl Stars right on your PC using a free Android emulator called BlueStacks. It's super simple, so let's dive right into it. First, go ahead and open up any web browser you prefer. In the search bar, type in BlueStacks and hit enter. You'll see a few results pop up, but make sure you click on the official BlueStacks website. It should be something like BlueStacks.com. Always double-check the URL to stay safe. Once you're on their homepage, look for a big button that says Download BlueStacks and click it. That will start downloading the BlueStacks installer onto your computer. Now, BlueStacks is basically an Android emulator. It lets you run mobile apps and games like Brawl Stars right from your desktop or laptop, which is pretty awesome. Once the download finishes, locate the downloaded installer file, usually in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to run it. A setup window will pop up, and from here, all you need to do is click Install Now. You'll also be asked to agree to their terms of use. Just click I agree to continue. Now give it a few minutes to install. It might download some additional files during setup depending on your system, so just hang tight. Once it's done, BlueStacks will launch automatically. You'll be welcomed by its interface, which is pretty clean and easy to navigate. At the top left corner, you'll notice a search bar. Click on it and type in Brawl Stars, then press Enter. If nothing pops up right away, don't panic. Just click the option that says Search in Google Play. Here it is showing storage issue in my disk C. Therefore, I am not able to proceed with next steps. BlueStacks will now prompt you to sign in with your Google account. This is necessary to access and install apps from the Play Store, just like on your phone. Go ahead and sign in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, click on Install and wait for it to download and install onto BlueStacks. After it finishes installing, you'll see a big Play button. Go ahead and click that. You're now ready to jump into matches and start brawling, but this time on a bigger screen with keyboard and mouse controls. And that's how you can play Brawl Stars on your PC. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.